This dad is flipping awesome, apparently. I'm going to make katsu. Tonkatsu, pork katsu, so ton, pork. Katsu, short for another word I always forget, but it means basically cutlet. Most of what I cook is Western influenced Japanese food, taken over by like the Portuguese or something. They call it like Southerners food or something because they came up from the south. So basically, like a schnitzel or a cutlet, obviously, it's so simple. I'm just going to cook one. I'm going to try and do it from memory, so I'm sorry if I get it wrong, but it's just fun. Now, I'm not sure if I'll use this in the supper club. I might do at some point. It's so simple, I think. I'm just going to get it down. Try and do it from memory, see how it goes. There's a couple of ways of doing it. You can double dip it or single dip it, and I think I've got 2 pieces of pork. I think I'm going to try both because I watched one video and they double dipped it and it looked amazing. But everyone else seems to single dip it, and all the recipes say to single dip it. But let's try it. Let's try both and see what's better. Right, I got a couple of pork loin steaks. What I've seen them do to stop it going shriveling up is they always seem to cut the fat. I need some salt and pepper on it. I don't have one of those meat whackers, so I just put a bit of cling film on, get a rolling pin. I actually like it a bit thick. I don't want a schnitzel, so I just tap it a little bit. Dip the pork in the potato starch, egg and panko breadcrumbs. Really shove the breadcrumbs into the pork. It's important to keep it staying on there when it fries. And then I'm doing a double dip with the second one using the egg and panko breadcrumbs for a second time. See how it goes. Okay, time to fry. I've sped this process up quite a lot. I was saying a lot of things, but basically start at 160, do a first fry until you start seeing the bubbles get nice and big. That's the pork cooking inside. Then rest it for a minute. This is me just doing the same first cook with the double dipper. And then chuck it back in at 180. You get lots of excited bubbles and a nice browning of the breadcrumbs, and then put it out and let it rest. Okay, we've let it rest for a bit. So let's start with a single dipper. You chop them with confidence, so you get that nice, and then look, lovely, juicy breaded pork. Nice, thin, crisp. Call that a success. That is tonkatsu. Double dipper. Let's see what this did. I'm liking this. Chunga munga. It's kept its moisture. Alright. That is, oops, incredibly moist in there. It's going to be in the tasting, isn't it? I'm lucky because where I live, I can get shiso leaves locally grown from the wasabi company. Now, what I'm making here, the classic accompaniment to tonkatsu is bulldog tonkatsu sauce. Everyone loves it. But if you mix it with mustard and some shiso, then it's even better. 3-star taste award. Wasabi mustard. This stuff is amazing. Mix that mustard, you need any mustard, bulldog, which is like ketchup, brown sauce, Worcester sauce. Mix it. Oh man. That is amazing. All right, plate up time. White cabbage. We have a double dipper, single dipper. That has ruined the presentation. We've got our sauce. Now it's up to you. You can drizzle it on top. Lots of people do. Lots of people do the squirty patterns, but also that makes it go a bit soggy. So I don't do that. What I do is dip it. So give individual portions a dip. Single dipper. Single dipper is lovely. It's light, it's crispy. The pork's still lovely and moist. The double dipper, I was worried would be a bit bready. It's not really. Well, it's delicious. I reckon if you're going probably for the supper club, I'll go single dip and do something funky. But if I was having a meal at home and I needed warming up and filling and I had a long day, I'm double dipping every time. That is good. But please make sure, if you make it, if you don't think you like cabbage, I hate cabbage. I love raw cabbage. With fried food, it's the way forward. And loads, I mean, just think about it, it's like coleslaw. Like, every country in the world has cabbage with fried food, we just don't realise it. It's peppery, it's delicious, it's just amazing, and that with the sauce. So simple. Will it make it on the menu at the Kaiju Supper Club? Yeah, I think so at some point. I'll probably do like an autumn or a winter warmer or something with it. Some comfort food. It's very much comfort food. But man, it's good. Do it.